Hi everybody, it's Julia, your trusted travel expert, helping you find that je ne sais quoi wherever you are in the world. And I actually had some really interesting feedback from my videos and newsletter the other day, asking me, I talked the other week about Virgin Voyages and that I don't really do cruising, and so the person wanted to know, what do I do? And it sort of made me realize that since I've been doing these videos so long, that maybe some newer watchers don't know what it is that I like to do and what I focus on. So as a travel consultant, as a travel advisor, I help people, I like to say that I help people create good days. Like I said, I help you find the je ne sais quoi wherever you are in the world. And what that really means is I match you to, based on your requirements, your budget, your needs, your interests, I match you to the travel product that will help you find the je ne sais quoi, the special something about the destination that you're interested in. And so that means that a lot of times I do like custom trips, either with a private driver and guide or even like with a rental car. I do those usually in Europe because that's my specialty, France. I'm passionate about Paris and France, but I also love almost all of Western Europe. And so I love helping people plan road trips or, like I said, private guided trips around Europe. I also do quite a bit of the US because that's my original professional background, is doing trips around the US and Canada. But then, I also love Southeast Asia, and though that's not as popular of a destination for folks from like the East Coast and the Southeast, I do love Southeast Asia, and it has a really special place in my heart. And then also Australia and New Zealand are fabulous destinations. Again, pretty far flung, pretty much on the other side of the world, but they are wonderful and well worth your time to visit. So those are destinations I feel really comfortable with. Now, when you talk about type of travel, I just mentioned sort of independent travel, which is kind of, I guess, what most people come to me for because that's harder. But group or escorted travel and things like river cruises or expedition cruises, those are all wonderful ways of traveling. And I would be more than happy to help people if they aren't comfortable either driving on their own or getting around on trains or transport on their own, and they don't have the budget for a private driver, then oftentimes an escorted tour or a river cruise or something like that is the perfect product for you. I just learned about a great company today called Backroads that does active biking and hiking and multi-sport kind of trips that are higher end, but it's all like escorted. So you're in a small group with a guide that's taking you around. So I definitely love doing trips like that, especially if that's the right style of trip for you and also for the destination. So I hope that helps, gives you a little bit of background, a little bit more about what I do and what I like to do. So if you have any questions, of course, give me a call. And that's it for this week. I'll talk to you next week.